This is Samsung's $1,300 S26 Ultra. Alright, let's break the seal. Samsung's packaging is very minimal now. There isn't much ceremony around it, so the reveal happens almost immediately. And there it is. Before turning it on, this is probably the best part of any unboxing. Seeing the finish completely untouched, with no fingerprint and no case hiding the design. So beautiful. All right. There is it. Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox. The first boot always takes a little longer, but the moment the display lights up, the phone starts to feel less like an expensive object and more like something you're already actually going to live with every day. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. This I'm going to end the video. I'm just adding some final shot that I did later on for you to see what you get. I've done my first impressions of this phone. Check it out on my main channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one, and please do subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.